Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. First, a disclaimer that really the only thing I truly wish happens is that you only focus on on the content of what is being said and not at all pay attention to the person talking. Disregard completely. The reason I say that is that I know myself, and I know that there is no attention should be paid to me, because that will lead to an utter disappointment when my reality will ever be exposed. So don't worry about the personality, just the contents, inshallah. If I take my family, my friends, all the people that I know physically and virtually in my life, all the people that have come in my life, Muslims, all the Muslims that have touched my life, if I take that as a sample, that is like, in statistics, when they have to draw a picture, bigger picture, they take sampling, they do sampling. If the group that I know, if I take them as a sample to guess the structure of the rest of the population, it seems to me that a vast majority of us are not connected to Quran. Connected is like a little bit ahead, are not familiar with Quran, with the nature of it, of the reality of it. Is we are not aware. We are living somewhere else, distracted completely. We are not doing the haqq, the right, Allah talking. We are not doing that. It's a vast majority of us. The familiarity is so low that if I ask all the people that I know, if I say, okay, name the first 5 surahs in order, I know vast majority of the people will have difficulty. It's just a matter of how familiar we are. I mean, I'm not asking people to go and start memorizing the sequence of surahs. It's just familiarity, how familiar you are. It's a very, if you are familiar, it's a very fundamental ABCD question. That's very telling. That's the reason why we are weak in Iman, in Dunya, and most likely in Akhirah also. May Allah Ta'ala forgive all of us, guide us, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.